So, Samsung is gearing up to release at least 3 new smartwatches in the coming weeks, with the Galaxy Watch FE potentially hitting the market sooner than the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. According to a new leak, the Galaxy Watch FE could debut on June 24, 2024, which is a few weeks earlier than the anticipated launch of the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra at the early July 2024 Galaxy Unpacked event. Pricing details for the Galaxy Watch FE have also emerged. Reliable tipster Mystery Lupin on X suggests that the Galaxy Watch FE will be priced around €199 in Europe. This information surfaced via a product page for the smartwatch discovered on Amazon Italy's website by Wactching. If accurate, this would make the Galaxy Watch FE more affordable than the Galaxy Watch 6 in European markets. In the US, the pricing could be approximately $199.99. The Galaxy Watch FE is expected to launch globally by the end of the month and could be available for purchase ahead of the Galaxy Watch 7 series. An image shared by Mystery Lupin reveals that the Galaxy Watch FE will feature a 1.2 inches Super AMOLED circular touchscreen with a resolution of 396 by 396 pixels. It will boast an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, 5 ATM water resistance, and a design compliant with MIL STD 810H standards. Under the hood, it will be powered by the Exynos W920 dual-core processor, paired with 1.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The smartwatch will run on Wear OS-based One UI 5.0 watch. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Watch FE will support GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC. It will house a 247 mAh battery, offering a claimed battery life of 30 hours, and will support wireless magnetic charging. The smartwatch is expected to come equipped with an array of sensors, including an accelerometer, barometer, BIA sensor, compass, ECG, gyro, and heart rate sensor. These will enable it to monitor various activities such as blood pressure, heart rate, sleep, stress, and workouts. It will be compatible with Android phones and the Samsung Health app, and will also feature Samsung Pay. As the launch date approaches, anticipation is building around these new devices, with the Galaxy Watch FE poised to offer a competitive blend of features and affordability. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Watch FE? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.